Hey, what's up, what pop? It's your girl Yana, and this is where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and sustain self-help strategies. Y'all, so today is going to be my perfume collection. Not exactly my perfume collection, but I am a perfume collector. Like, some girls are shoe collectors, some girls are bag collectors, some girls are wig collectors. I'm kind of a wig collector. But, I am a perfume collector, and I want to show you guys. I'm going to show you four. The majority of these come from Victoria's Secret, and then I got one for my birthday that is Givenchy. Like, that is my, I'm going to say right now, that's my favorite-ish designer brand right now. I really like Givenchy. Like, Givenchy has always been in my face in my life. If any designer brand that has always been in my face throughout my life, it's been Givenchy. So let's start with the first one. So this is my main scent that I wear mostly all the time. This is Scandolous by Victoria's Secret. This is a smaller bottle. She does come in an actual like perfume like box and everything, you know, nice, like a little perfume. It does come in that, but I got it in this type right here, the fragrance mist. If I was to describe this smell, you know what? Let's look up the notes really quick. Honestly, to me, how I would describe this perfume, I would describe it as, like, it's like subtle sexy. Like, if subtle sexy had a smell, it would be this. It's like subtle sexy. Like, it's not very fruity, but it's not musky, and it's not vanilla. It's apparently I heard that it has raspberry notes, and I really like raspberry for some reason. I just feel like raspberry smells so good. And I'm actually burning a candle, and it's raspberry ice. I don't know, I just like the smell. So let's look it up. So it says Scandalous, Victoria's Secret perfume. It came out in 2014. It says the composition is announced as a juicy and provocative floral fruity. That's weird how they describe this. Okay, that's just what it says. The highlights include raspberry lacquer on the top, black peony in the heart, and sweet pralines in the base. The bottle is made out of curved glass. Oh, blah, blah, blah. We don't care about the bottle. But this is how the bottle really looks. This is how the actual perfume bottle looks. And this is the fragrance mist. These other Victoria's Secret fragrances has the peony in it as well. So that's that one. The other one I love. I could not put this down. The one in Bloom. Now, they have one that's this scent. It doesn't say Bloom on it. And they have like sparkly shimmers. I was going to get that, but I was like, this Bloom smells way, 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 way too good. So I got both of these, 2 for $20. I'll share with you this one, the notes in this one. So on the back, it says Peony Garden, Lychee or Lychee Blush, a Velvet Petals Bouquet. Velvet Petals. Petals. Okay. The In Bloom one, they're just giving me the regular one. Says the main accords are floral. Like, this is a floral freaking scent, okay? If you don't like floral girly scents whatsoever, do not get this fragrance because, baby, it smells hella fruity. So it says it's floral, almond, nutty, fruity, and sweet. Okay? I love, 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 love that one. Now we got Victoria's Secret Wicked Dream. Baby, if this don't scream Scorpio, I don't know what does. Okay, do y'all see this? It's light pink with red and like black lace. It's like a dark black vampire. Oh, Jesus. Woo! A dark and edgy twist on the original Crush fragrance, starring notes of sensual black sugar. Baby. Baby. I'ma be straight up. I don't wait no time. I know you ain't mine. You ain't my baby. Sensual black sugar, airy freshia, and our exclusive. How you pronounce this? It's Tahitian vanilla. Baby. Ooh, ooh, oh, ooh. I swear. Okay, anywho, I can't even describe the smell. Y'all just gotta go smell this. Just go smell it, okay? Okay, next thing. Baby, if you want a grown and sexy perfume, at first when I smelled this, I was like, eh. But then I sprayed this in Ulta on sheet, right? So I sprayed this in Ulta, and I was like, it's okay. And then I left out of Ulta, and it was still lingering on me. I was like, oh my God, that really do smell good. Oh my God, I gotta have it. So I went back, and I got it on my birthday, right? Baby. Ugh. It just smelled like grown. It smelled like a grown young woman. I don't know what that smell like, but I'm just gonna say this. It smelled like a grown and sexy young woman type of smell. All right, so let's look up the notes for that. Givenchy, Irresistible, or Live Irresistible. They have different kinds of that one, but that one's the original, I believe. Here we go. Oh shit. All right, y'all. So let me tell y'all the notes for this. The website that I'm using for these notes is fragrantica.com. Fragrantica.com. So it says Givenchy presents Live Irresistible in July 2015 as a limited edition, blah, blah, blah. Okay. The lively composition is a mixture of fruit, flowers, and spices. It opens with juicy accords of pineapple. The heart captures a bouquet of roses. Oh my God. Is it really? Wow, I did not know that. Okay, it says the face of the perfume is actress Amanda Seyfried, however you say her last name. That girl is badass. That girl is badass. Okay, I did not know her. I did not know that. Are pineapple or rose, lemon and an orange. This smells so fucking good. Oh, okay. Y'all, this smells good. Y'all gotta go pick these up. If you don't like super, super, super girly scents, then I will put this last, okay? Now, on a grown and sexy, I'm gonna rate it as a grown and sexy. How about that? So, on the grown and sexy scale, I'm gonna say it's Givenchy, Scandolous, Wicked Dreamer, and then this. Because this is not really grown and sexy. This is like 17, 18-year-old type of smell. Like starting to get into perfumes type of smell. And then this is like, ooh, these two are the grown and sexy fragrances. This one is sexy. It's not grown and sexy, but this one's sexy, okay? And this one is just, you know, it's like a doll fragrance. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which of the 4 perfumes you have or would like to try. Help us get to 1,000 subbies. Make sure you hit that like button. Click that red button to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. It's your girl, Sincerely, Yana.